There's a lot of stuff here. Come on.
Yeah.
Look at a ton of stuff.
Look at my car.
Throw it at me.
Books. Huh? Let me suppose.
Your blanket. I said, we'll move on church. What?
I come prepared today.
This is mine.
I might stop and get something.
McDonald's?
I don't know yet.
I'm hungry.
We'll see.
Put this out here.
Who bought that?
I didn't have breakfast.
What's that?
I said, we didn't have breakfast yet. We just had cookies.
True.
Is this the only plug in the whole garage?
No, there's one over here too. That's my mom's toolbox. Oh,
Let me check over here real quick.
I'm sorry. I was looking for that. She asked for it. She wanted it in the room, and I didn't know where it was. That's on there, man. I don't know. Where's my toolbox? I went to get it. Bring it up like that. I'm sorry.
Michaela. Stay either next to me or Dad. Yeah, next to me.
What? Okay, you girls ready?
It's a person.
Oh, don't do that.
person,
Don't
Michaela.
bump this.
Michaela, it's a person. Look, right here.
Is that a postcard?
Stay in the person. If this right here is
How much you have on all the postcards?
$5? You know what? There's also the attitude new stuff. Everything.
What's that?
I said everything's new,
Oh.
but I thought there was some more.
Can we get these? Because they're so cute. Michaela wants
Ask how much.
Oh, you know what? I think I should just take.
Are these it right here?
Yeah, I put them in a box. If
Right
you want
here?
to grab some of those, yeah. What's up?
How much for all of them? I mean, I'll take.
You want the box too?
Yeah, I'll
Yes,
take one.
$5 is
I'll
fine.
take
just for
one.
all of it, yeah.
Yeah, it works. Yeah. You guys want those?
Yeah.
Wherever
Yeah,
you guys
I told
are.
them to take
Okay.
these. I just put them out in my daughter's old bed.
There you go. Thank you.
you.
Have a good day. Let's go, guys.
Oh, look how cute. Bye.
Thank you. Let's go. Postcards are normally good sellers. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed that yard sale footage. This yard sale looked a lot bigger when we pulled up to this sale, but then I realized that this sale was Friday and Saturday. Now a lot of times I don't like hitting sales like this because a lot of the stuff is gone by Saturday morning. But this one we decided to hit. We were out in the area and we thought, you know what, let's stop by and take a look. Well, I'm kind of glad we did, and if you notice in the footage, we found a lot of postcards. Postcards are something that I've been wanting to pick up for a long time because they do sell well and they kind of are easy to list. Now in this lot we found over 100 postcards. There's some 4x6s and some a little bit smaller, but some of these postcards date back to 1887. I think was the oldest one that we found in this lot. So I decided to pick them up and list them all on eBay. I've done a lot of drafts recently just to kind of help me list stuff, especially with the way work's been going, life. I've done a lot of eBay drafts recently, and it's really helped me out. So if you're having a hard time listing your items on eBay, try eBay drafts. You might already be doing it, you might not be, but let me tell you, it has definitely helped us out recently with being able to list 5 to 10 items a day. Once you get the draft set up, just hit, bam, they're listed. So it's something that we've been trying to do more recently. But like I mentioned, there was over 100 postcards, some dating back to 1887. Some postcards were filled out postmarks. The furthest one away was from Japan. So really cool postcards in this lot. We picked up all the postcards for a grand total of $5. I don't think we're going to have a problem at all making our money back plus a good amount more. Even if I sell these postcards at $1, $1.50 each, we're over $100 right there. So hopefully you enjoyed this footage. I know it was a quick yard sale, but I was going to put this in with another one, but I thought I'd do this one separately. But hopefully you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Also smash that like button, and if you feel like it, share this video. It really helps out the channel. But until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.